So yeah, just had a strong coffee. Probably gonna be wired for a while, but be good for my walking. Yes, I need to go to those mountains at one point. Haven't quite figured out the best way there. You might not be able to hear me with that lorry unloading. But yeah, you can get good views up here, so let's find some. When I came here last time, it was cold and damp. Not feeling going upstairs yet. I do remember I came this way before. I think it leads me further up the hill. I smell some nice cooking too. Oh, seen that dog before. Hello doggy, don't bark. Yeah, I saw that dog when I was here about a year ago. Probably doesn't see many fools with a GoPro coming past. See, I keep getting tempted to do these stairs. I'm going. Oh, look at those two airplanes there. We're at the end of December, was it? December 29th. Clear blue skies. If you're from UK, you wouldn't be used to this. A dead end. Okay, I'm going up. Oh, it is. The first stairs I take lead to nowhere. Oh, I saw a nice cat there. Hey. Hello. Oh, look at your blue eyes. Hello. Wasn't expecting you. You're very cute. Hola. You always make videos better, you cats, when you appear. Be careful of the road. I'm sure you must be used to it. Because I hear a car. Get out of the way. I don't want to be filming an accident. Out of the way, cat. Yeah, that's a train station, obviously. It's where I arrived. It's not far to get here. Like, I always seem to say 20 minutes in my videos, but say from Central, yeah, 30 minutes, 25 minutes from like Plaza Catalunya. But I came from Sarria, which is another nice place. I'll have to do a video there. Shall I go down or up? Do like that artwork there. It's a bit of a climbing wall, isn't it? I'm going to keep going up because that's where I want to go. is that don't know what they were thinking with that design. It looks like a bell with balls to me. What's going on with that?